Hey everyone, welcome back to HVAC Official Channel. I'm Ahsan, your HVAC Technician. Today we're going to understand a very common and important topic, the difference between inverter AC and non-inverter AC. If you're a beginner or planning to buy a new air conditioner, this video will help you know which one is better for you. Let's get started. What is non-inverter AC? First, let's understand non-inverter AC. A non-inverter AC works with a fixed-speed compressor. This means the compressor either runs at full power, on, or completely stops, off. For example, when the room temperature rises above the set point, the compressor turns on at full capacity to cool it down. When the desired temperature is reached, it turns off. This on and off cycle keeps repeating again and again. What is inverter AC? Now let's talk about inverter AC. The inverter AC has a variable speed compressor, which can adjust its speed automatically. When cooling is needed, the compressor runs at high speed. When the desired temperature is reached, it slows down, but doesn't completely stop. This smart technology maintains a steady room temperature and saves a lot of energy.